Hey everyone, get ready to have your mind blown with some of the craziest geography facts you've ever heard. We're about to embark on a journey across continents, oceans, and even beneath the Earth's surface. From mountains taller than Everest to underwater waterfalls, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, because the world is a much stranger and more fascinating place than you might think. Okay, let's start with a mountain that needs no introduction, Mount Everest. It's practically synonymous with tallest thing on Earth. But what if I told you that title technically belongs to another peak? It's true. If we're talking about sheer height from base to summit, then Mauna Kea in Hawaii takes the crown. This massive mountain rises over 10,200 meters, that's 33,500 feet, from its base on the ocean floor. Now, a huge chunk of Mauna Kea is submerged, which is why Everest gets all the glory for highest peak above sea level. Still, it makes you realize there's a whole lot going on beneath the surface, right? Ever heard the phrase land of 10,000 lakes to describe a place with, well, a lot of lakes? Well, Canada laughs in the face of 10,000 lakes. This incredible country is home to more than 3 million lakes. You heard that right, millions. In fact, over 60% of all the lakes on Earth are found within Canada's borders. That's enough fresh water to make even the thirstiest adventurer say, "Whoa, that's a lot of H2O." The Dead Sea, famous for its extreme salinity and the fact that you can practically float on its surface, is facing a dire situation. This incredible body of water, the lowest point on Earth at 430 meters, 1,411 feet below sea level, is shrinking at an alarming rate. Each year, the Dead Sea loses about 1 meter, 3 feet of water. The main culprits? Water diversion from the Jordan River, which feeds the sea, and of course, our old friend evaporation, intensified by the desert climate. Here's a real head-scratcher. What's covered in ice but is technically a desert? If you guessed Antarctica, you're absolutely right. It seems counterintuitive, but deserts are defined by their lack of precipitation, not by extreme temperatures. And Antarctica, believe it or not, is the driest continent on Earth. Some parts of this icy expanse receive less than 20 millimeters or 0.8 inches of precipitation annually. That's drier than the Sahara Desert. Imagine a point in the ocean so remote, so far from any landmass, that the closest humans to you are often astronauts orbiting overhead. That's Point Nemo, located in the South Pacific Ocean. This spot is officially known as the Oceanic Pole of Inaccessibility and is about 2,688 kilometers, or 1,670 miles from the nearest land. It's a place of such profound isolation that it boggles the mind. Beneath the stunning beauty of Yellowstone National Park in the United States lies a slumbering giant, a supervolcano of immense power. Now, before you panic, supervolcanoes erupt very rarely, but when they do, the effects can be felt globally. The Yellowstone supervolcano last erupted over 640,000 years ago, and scientists are constantly monitoring it for any signs of activity. It's a sobering reminder of the raw power that lies beneath our feet. Deep beneath the thick ice sheet of Antarctica, hidden from sunlight and the world above, lies a secret Lake Vostok. This massive subglacial lake is buried under about 4 kilometers, or around 2.5 miles of ice, and has been isolated from the atmosphere for millions of years. Scientists believe that Lake Vostok might harbor unique life forms that have adapted to this extreme environment, making it a tantalizing target for future exploration. The Amazon River is a force of nature, a sprawling waterway teeming with life. But what if I told you it has a secret subterranean twin? Deep beneath the Amazon basin flows the Rio Hamza, an immense aquifer that dwarfs the Amazon in size. This shadow river moves much slower than the Amazon, its waters filtering through porous rock. It's a fascinating example of how even the most well-explored places on Earth can still hold hidden wonders. Spanning 11 time zones, Russia is a country that truly experiences time on a different scale. The world's largest country by landmass, Russia stretches across almost half the globe. This means that when it's morning in Moscow, it's already evening in Vladivostok, nearly 9,000 kilometers or 5,600 miles to the east. Imagine the jet lag. Waterfalls are impressive enough on land, but did you know there are waterfalls hidden beneath the ocean's surface? It sounds crazy, but it's true. In the Denmark Strait, cold, dense water from the Arctic Ocean plunges down over a massive ridge, creating an underwater waterfall that's more than 3 times taller than Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on land. It's a breathtaking spectacle, hidden from our view, but no less awe-inspiring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these crazy geography facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content. The world is full of surprises and I can't wait to share more incredible discoveries with you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being curious about the universe and our place in it.